Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 9 supplements and vitamins women over 40 may need for better health. Nutrient needs change after age 40 due to hormonal shifts and reduced nutrient absorption. Important supplements for women over 40 include vitamin D, calcium, vitamin B12, magnesium, and omega-3s. Supplements should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Vitamin D, calcium, and vitamin B12 are critical for bone, heart, and nerve health. Magnesium supports muscle, nerve, and bone health, while omega-3s benefit cardiovascular and brain health. Other beneficial supplements may include vitamin K, iron, and collagen. A multivitamin can provide a baseline, but targeted supplements based on individual needs may be more effective. Supplement use should be discussed with a healthcare provider, as excess intake of some vitamins can be harmful. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.